Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your credit card account on US Bank. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in usbank.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official website for US Bank. Now in order to log into your credit card account, you will need to log into your account first. Click on the login button at the top right corner and now choose your account type from the account type drop-down menu. Once you choose your account type, enter your username within the username section that you have set while creating your account. Then type in your account password underneath within the password box. You can then click on the login button and you will be logged into your US Bank account right away, from which you can simply click on the credit card option to access your credit card. In case you cannot log in because you forgot your password, you can click on Get Login Help and you will be allowed to reset your credentials. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your credit card account on US Bank. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.